Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how you can archive, delete, and or restore contacts in your command database. So first, let's sign into command and navigate over here to the contacts tab on the left. Now, archiving means that it will go to a contact archive in your command settings, and there is the option to undo. Essentially, you can click the restore button and restore it back to your command database. If you're looking to fully, completely delete the contact, it will require the two steps of first archiving it and then fully deleting it, and there is no undo after that. So let's first demonstrate how to archive an individual or multiple contacts. So go ahead and use your filters to find the contacts you're looking for. And when you're ready, select the contact by choosing the checkbox to the left-hand side. Now, you can do one or multiple. You can even choose all up here at the top, depending on what you're trying to do. If you want to just archive one, we'll just choose one of our little guys here. Um, and then at the bottom, you can see that the archive option is the bottom right-hand corner. Go ahead and choose archive. It will ask you to confirm and go ahead and choose archive. It did go ahead and archive two contacts. You can see that in the bottom right-hand corner. There was a hyperlink in that banner as well that I could have chosen to go straight back to the contact archive quickly, but I want to show you the long way just so you know where to find it. So if you now have archived those contacts and you've chosen to either delete or restore them, you would need to go to the contact archive to do either one of those actions. So come up here to your name and go to settings, come over to command settings, contacts, and then contact archive. From here, we can see one of our little guys that was right here at the top. We can do two options. First, we could restore him and restore it back to the command contacts if we want to have him added back into the database, or we can choose the trash can to actually permanently delete him. I'm going to choose to actually restore him so that you can see. So we'll choose restore. It takes it just a second. It may stay grayed out. So just hit the refresh button of your browser and that should update it. And now we can see that he is gone. And then we can actually come down here to our other little guy that we had archived. And let's say we're going to permanently delete him. So we choose the trash can. It asks you to confirm and it lets you know this is permanent. Click OK. Again, it may stay grayed out for a second. Go ahead and hit the refresh button on your browser. And now we can see that that guy was permanently deleted. You do have the option back here to show multiple contacts. You can select all and choose to permanently delete all or multiple contacts at once. You do not have to do it individually. The same, you can also restore multiple contacts or all, depending on what you're looking to do, and restore them back to your command database. Another caveat actually is if you are on a team, please know that your ability to archive and delete contacts may be limited by your team permissions. So if you're having any issues and you're on a team with doing what I just showed you, you might want to check with your Rainmaker just to see if your team permissions are preventing you from being able to do that. If you have any questions or you run into any issues at all, you can always reach out to us as well via email, and that email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.